Now we are presenting our projects, LKG projects. Effects of mobile addiction affects our eyes, brain, seasons, community helpers, sense organs, transport, comparisons, and domestic animals, wild animals, houses of animals, healthy food, unhealthy food. Fruits and vegetables.
Good morning, sir. My name is Asala Ruma. My project name is Renewable Energy. There is 3 types of energy: solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy. First, we talk about solar energy. Solar energy provides us electricity, solar panels. Second, we go to wind energy. Wind energy provides us electricity, windmills, turbines. Last, we go to hydro energy. Hydro energy provides us electricity, falling water, dams and rivers.
Good morning everyone. My name is Yoksta. Today I am going to explain my addition working model. Addition is one of the basic and most important operations in mathematics. We use addition in our daily life for counting money, calculating marks, shopping and many other activities. This working model shows addition in a simple, visual and practical way. Now let me explain how my model works. For example, 3 plus 2. If I have 3 balls in the first cup and 2 balls in the second cup, we can count a total of 5 balls. This shows us how addition works by combining quantities. The main advantage of this model is that it makes learning easy and fun, especially for young students. It helps improve understanding, reduces confusion, and encourages hands-on learning instead of memorizing formulas. This can be used in schools, homes, and centers to teach basic mathematics effectively. In conclusion, my addition working model shows that learning mathematics is not hard if we learn with practical examples. Learning by doing is the best way to understand concepts clearly. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to present my project. Have a great day. Thank you.
Morning sir, my name is Ravya. I am telling about multi-purpose project. Multi-purpose river projects are river valley projects. These projects provide water supply for all the people needs various such as agriculture, industries, drinking water and electricity, etc. The main water valley projects in India are Bakranangal, Hirakud, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Damodar Valley and Teri Dam. The main functions of the multi-purpose project are irrigation, hydropower, flood management, soil conservation and supporting agriculture. Thank you.
Warm morning everyone. My name is Komala Hasya. I am studying 5th class and my topic is Future Amaravati. Amaravati, the future capital of Andhra Pradesh, is envisioned as a world-class people-centric, sustainable and inclusive capital city that reflects the state's aspirations, culture heritage and economic ambitions. Strategically located on the banks of the Krishna River, there are proposed 9 cities. The 9 cities are Government City, Justice City, Finance City, Knowledge City, Health City, Sports City, Tourism City, Residential City and Media City. Amaravati is a global city of governance, growth and innovation. It is designed to match international standards with the vision to create a capital that is efficient in governance, environmentally sustainable, economically vibrant, socially inclusive and technologically advanced. Amaravati will not just be a seat of administrative but a symbol of new Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.
Happy morning, ma'am. My project name is an electric lift. An electric lift helps to move up and down between the floors easily. When we press a button, electric flows down to the electric motor. The motor rotates a pulley system connected with steel cable. One side of the cable holds lift cable and the other side holds counterweight. Thank you. If you like my project, please vote for me. Good afternoon, sir. Today, my topic is about rain detector. Rain detector is useful to every household. Whenever the raindrop touches to the sensor, it will be activated and the clothes will be protected as the motor rotates and the shed protect it from rain. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I am P. Divyesh from grade 5. Today, my project is about modern farming technology. The word modern farming means the use of modern technologies, techniques and science for increasing farming production. It includes several types of technologies like aeroponic, hydroponic, aquaponic. Aeroponic, the method that utilizes an air-mist environment without soil for growing plants. It uses less water and provides more oxygen to roots. Hydroponic farming. Hydroponic farming is a method that grows plants without soil, where the roots grow in nutrients-rich water. Aquaponic farming. Aquaponic farming is a method that combines two farmings like fish farming and plant farming. Fish clean the plants and plants clean the water for fishes. Thank you.
Morning, children. I'm very happy to see you're all models here. So I'm very happy and welcome to this 24th-25th Science Expo from Icon Public School. So we are very happy to elevate you all with your projects. Now firstly let me explain about Shravya's project. It is multi-purpose project where it shows the model of a Nagarjuna Sagar. You all know about the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. So how the water and all we are utilizing for drinking purpose, for irrigation and etc. Okay. And coming to this, it's a rain detector. Excellent, right? It is an innovative model, right? So whenever it detects the rain falling, so immediately the sensors will observe and it will allow all the clothes which we have kept on the string will make them to go into the under the roof. So it's such a nice project. And one more thing is from Sanvi from 3X. So Sanvi, she has created electric lift and it shows how the lift works actually. Okay, so nice little engineer is with us. She is Shanvi. And coming to here, she has prepared future Amaravati. So whereas she can show all the departments present in Amaravati. So, everybody are doing well. All the best. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to Science Expo. Today my project is animals live in different homes. Birds live in nest. Rats live in burrow. Lion live in den. Dog live in kennel. Cow live in shed. Bee live in hive. Horse live in stable. Spider live in web. Animals are happy in their homes. Thank you. Dress in the morning. It is daytime. The sun is out. We play and study during the day. The moon and stars come out at night. We sleep at night and wake up in the morning. Day and night make a full day. Thank you. My coordinate types of rooms. House has many rooms. We should cook food in the kitchen. We should eat food in the dining room. We should sleep in the bedroom. We should watch TV in the living room. We should pray in the prayer room. We should study in the study room. Some house has gathering. Our house happy place. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Divyanshi. Welcome Science Expo. Rain is a gift for the sky. We can collect rainwater in tanks and jars. It helps us when there's no rain. It's like a big stage and plants and trees. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Jivansh. Welcome to Science Expo. My topic name is pollution. Air is green, let's keep it that way. Don't litter, throw trash in the bin. Plants give us fresh air. Let's plant more. Smoke from vehicles pollute the air. Factories pollute the air and water. We should save our planet. Use a cycle or walk for short distance. Let's keep our city clean and green. Thank you. My name is Fetal. My project name is Types of Traffic Lights. Red light means stop, yellow light means get ready, green light means go. We must follow traffic rules. Traffic lights help us to cross the road. My name is Stephen from class 1X. My topic name is waste management. This is a clean city model with houses, roads and trees. Different dustbins show how to put waste properly. Red for metal, green for glass,
yellow for plastic, blue for paper. We should keep our city clean and green. Clean, healthy habits make our homes and city happy. Thank you.
Sir, good morning, sir. My name is Rukhya Meherin. Today I am going to talk about animals and their food. Animals need food to live, grow and stay healthy. Different animals eat different kind of food. Some animals eat like grass, leaf, fruits and vegetables. Some animals eat the flesh of other animals. There are also animals that eat both plants and animals. Based on the food habits animals they eat are called herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Herbivorous are animals that eat only plants like grass, leaf, fruits and vegetables. For example, cow, goat, deer. Next is carnivorous. Carnivorous are animals that eat flesh of other animals. They have sharp teeth to eat meat. For example, lion, tiger, cheetah. Third is omnivorous. Omnivorous are animals that eat both plants and animals. For example, human, bear, crow. Thank you.
My topic name is noun. A noun is a naming word. It person, place, thing and animal. Example, cat, teacher, book. Noun have different types. Noun have different types. Proper nouns start with capital letter. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Meenakshi. My topic's name is noun and pronoun. A noun is a name of a person, place, things and animals. A pronoun is a word where we can use instead of nouns. A verb is an action word. A adjective is a describing word. A preposition tells about a position. An adverb tells about how it happened. A conjunction helps to join two words. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Purnima. Welcome to the Science Expo. My topic is about the human following robot. Human following robots are being various in Expo, fledged including healthcare, manufacturing and logos. These robots use sensors like IR sensor or ultra source sensor to detect. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My name is T. Sahasra. I am studying in 5th class. Today my topic is about killer ball game. I created killer ball game by using Scratch programming language. If we want to earn the game, First of all, we should click the green flag, then it will be on. If we don't want to on the game, in middle we should click the red flag, then it will be stopped. Here the cat should escape from the ball running by using right arrow keys or left arrow keys. Here I gave here 3 lives to the cat. If the 3 lives will be over means the game will be over. Here the cat should move fast, then the ball speed also will increase. Thank you.
Happy morning, sir. I am Aishani, studying in class 3V. Today, I am going to explain about the water cycle, which plays an important role in balancing the atmosphere of our earth and the ecosystem. Water cycle. The water cycle is like a big circle from where water moves from the earth to the air and back again. Evaporation. Water from oceans, lakes and rivers gets hot and turns into water vapor. It rises into the air like steam from a kettle. Condensation. Water vapor cools down and turns back into liquid water, forming clouds. Precipitation. When clouds get too heavy, the water falls back to earth as rain, snow or hails. Collection. Water collects in rivers, oceans and lakes, and the cycle starts again. That's the water cycle. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Krishika. I am studying class 40. My project is water purification. For water purification, we used stones, charcoal, sand and cotton. Stones purify water by physically filtering large particles. Charcoal purify water primarily through absorption using process. Sand is crucial for water purification, acting as a physical filter to trap dirt, silt and organic matter as water passes through its layers. And cotton also can purify water well. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Hitesh. I am studying class 5T. My project name is choking. Choking is a medical emergency when something gets stuck in your throat, blocks the flow of air, you can't breathe properly. It usually happens when you eat too fast or put small things in your mouth. Choking can lead to brain damage and death within minutes. Sign of choking. If a person can't breathe, speak or cough or making high pitched noises, immediately begin care of choking. Then you will do back blows 5 times, abdominal thrust 5 times, chest thrust 5 times. This is the universal sign of choking. Choking is a life-threatening emergency, can be prevented and managed with correct first aid knowledge. Quick access can save the life. If you did like this, the thing which stuck in the mouth, it will come outside. Thank you.
Hi sir, my name is Sanvika. I am studying 3rd class. Today my topic is satellite. Satellite is a small object that revolves around a large object, natural satellite moon. Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Tanish Srinivas Narayan. I am studying 4th V section. Now I am telling about homemade robot. A robot is a smart machine that works in places such as schools, colleges and many workplaces, etc. Thank you sir.
Good afternoon, my name is Sai Vashta. I am studying class 6. Today I am telling about wind energy power plant. Wind energy is a clean and renewable source of
power. Wind energy power plant use wind to generate electricity. When the wind blows, it turns the large bladder of a wind turbines. These bladders are connected to the shift rotates. If when the rotates, the generator work. These process electricity sent to wires to our homes, schools and factories. However, wind energy has some disadvantages. It needs a lots of open land. When the wind blows, it need a blows. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Lakshmi Lashias, 7th class X section. Today's my project is about solar powered drip irrigation. Solar powered drip irrigation system uses sunlight to power pumps that deliver water directly to the plant roots via a network of pipes and emitters, combining renewable energy with efficient water delivery to save water. This system can help in water conservation, environment friendly and also low cost. It is used in agriculture, especially in off-grid areas. Efficient, precise watering of crops like tomatoes, chilies, okras, citrus, pomegranates, etc. Thank you.
Sir. Today I am going to tell what is a fire engine. A fire engine is a specialized vehicle that transports firefighters, water and equipment for emergencies, primarily to extinguish fire but also for rescues and hazardous material incidents using powerful pumps, hoses, ladders and using the tools like the jaws of life to save lives, protect property and to manage various crises. Uses of fire engine. Fire suppression. The core function involving delivering water or foam via hoses using built-in pumps and tanks or connecting to hydrants. Emergency medical care. Carrying first aid supplies and sometimes basic medical supplies for immediate patient care. The first ever automobile fire engine was built by the Knox Automobile Company in the Springfield, Massachusetts around 905 to 906. Before the use of fire engines, people primarily relied on buckets, hand pumps, etc. Thank you.
Peaceful morning, sir. Today I am telling about rainwater harvesting. This is my rainwater harvesting working model. Rainwater falls on the roof of the house. Rainwater falls through the pipe. Pipe carries water to the storage tank. Clean rainwater are collected in the tank. Dirt and leaves are stopped by the filter. It helps us to planting and cleaning. It helps us during water shortage. We should not waste rainwater. Thank you.
Mutual induction. Induction with electricity or electromagnetic induction is the process where changing magnetic field creates an electric current in a conductor. This happens when you move a wire through a magnetic field. Discovered by Michael Faraday, an English chemist. It's a fundamental principle that generates electricity without direct contact, crucial for modern power systems and devices. Conductors and non-conductors. Conductors, the objects which let electricity to pass through them, are called conductors. Non-conductors, the objects which do not let electricity to pass through them, are called non-conductors. We can say that pencil lead is made up of graphite and it is a conductor, and remaining part of the pencil is a non-conductor. Thank you. Conductors, non-conductors. Conductors. We can say that conductors are the objects which let electricity to pass through them. Examples are safety pin. We can see that light is being glowed. Electric wire. Iron nail. Pencil lead. As I said before, the pencil lead was only the pencil lead was a conductor and remaining part of the pencil was a non-conductor. Sharpener. It goes same for the sharpener. Only sharpener blade was a conductor and remaining part was a non-conductor. Aluminium. Non-conductors. Eraser. Magnet. Wood. Rubber. Plastic. Chocolate paper. Okay. This 2 rupee coin. Can you guess the 2 rupee coin is a conductor or non-conductor? It's a conductor. As it is made up of metal, it is a conductor. This is silver ring.
It is also a conductor. As silver is great at conducting electricity, and also it is greater than copper while coming to the conductor, while coming to the electricity passing through it. We will not use it because it is very costly. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Mokshit of class 8. Today I am going to explain about sustainable development. Sustainable development with natural resources means using Earth's resources like land, water, minerals, forests wisely to meet the current needs like economic growth and social well-being. Key practices and strategies are using renewable energy like solar power, wind, hydropower and rainwater harvesting and agriculture in apartment. I made a solar car charging station that charges the car when it is parked and an air purification tower to reduce the air pollution in the city. During the day and night, heavy winds blow on the roads. So a wind turbine that rotates and produces electricity to the city, and solar powered benches that absorb the heat during the day and release the heat during the night to keep the homeless people warm during cold nights. Thank you.
You are in raincoat. This is you. Huh?
Happy noon everyone, myself Janvi Srilasa. Today I am going to explain about disaster management. Earthquake alarm. Earthquake early warning systems uses the seismic sensor to detect faster. So when the earth shakes and when it touches to this, we will be getting an alarm. Next, fire alarm. These systems utilize smoke, heat and gas detectors to sense fire signs. So when the fire touches to the sensor, we will be getting an alarm. Flood alarm. Flood early warning system uses the real-time data from weather and forecast. So when the water touches to the sensor, we will be getting an alarm. Railway track broken alarm. Indian Railway forecast for the. So when the track was broken, automatically we will be getting an alarm. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Priyashni. I am studying 7th class from T section. Today's my project is about acid rain. Acid rain is a type of rainfall that contains harmful acid. It is caused by air pollution. The fuels like coal and petrol are burned in the factories, power plants and vehicles. These gases release such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide into the atmosphere. And these gases mix with the water vapor into the atmosphere and fall as acid rain. So acid rain is also harmful to the environment. It damages the tree crops and soil by washing away the important nutrients, and it also makes lakes and rivers acidic. It also kills the water aquatic animals in the water. Buildings and monuments are made by stone and marble. They are slowly destroyed by the acid rain, and acid rain is also caused by the air pollution. Acid rain is also harmful to the human health because it is caused by the air pollution, breathing problems and diseases. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mohammed Ibrahim Shah and I am from 6th week. My topic name is fetal development. The human being's pregnancy lasts for 9 months. In human beings, 1 month of pregnancy, heart will develop. The first sign of fetus we can hear by listening to the heartbeat. The second month of pregnancy, fetus will develop limbs and digits. By the third month of pregnancy, fetus will develop so many organs. By the fourth month of pregnancy, fetus will grow like rapidly. Bones are very soft, but it will become very harder. By the fifth month, hair will grow on the head. Sixth month, hair and eyebrows will grow. At seventh month, movements will become regular and reckless. The eighth month, brain will develop. In the ninth month, fetus is fully developed and ready for delivery.
Good morning one and all. I am Kevin Sai from 70. This is my project Biogas plant model. Biogas is a clean and safe way to convert organic waste into gas. Instead of throwing kitchen waste or cow dung, a truck collects all the waste from houses and throws into the excavator, where the excavator moves the waste forward into this huge tank which is called as the digester. Inside the digester, the water is mixed with the waste and the digester is sealed so that air cannot enter inside. Inside it, small microorganisms break the organic waste and releases gases like mainly methane. The methane and other gases goes to this purification unit where the gas will get purified. After, the purified gas will go to this HP compressor unit to get compressed. Then the compressed gas will go to hundreds of gas cylinders where we can again use for lighting or cooking something. The leftover waste in the digester is called a slurry where we can use as a fertilizer for plants. It saves LPG and reduces pollution, also supports sustainable living. So one biogas plant gives us two benefits. One is free fuel and the other one is fertilizer for plants. So my project shows that waste is not useless, it can also become energy. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to tell about democracy. In the world, Western countries witnessed the first form of democracy. The term democracy is derived into two Greek words. Those are demos meaning people and kratos meaning rule or government. डेमोक्रेसी को हिंदी में लोकतंत्र कहता है. सरल शब्दों में जनता द्वारा और जनता के लिए शासन किया है. इन प्रसिद्ध शब्दों अब्राहम लिंकन ने दिया गया है. उन्होंने 1863 में गेटिसबर्ग एड्रेस लोकतंत्र को परिभाषित करने के लिए इन शब्दों को प्रयोग किया है. मेन थ्रस्ट्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी: कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, equality, rule of law, accommodation of differences, and vital role of the people in decision making. Thank you. This is media. This is assembly. This is judiciary. And this is legislature. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, I am Leslie from class 70. Now I am going to demonstrate you about our oral health care. Here I am going to in my setup I am having two different experiments. The first one, how different drinks affect our teeth. Here I am having 5 different liquids: water, coffee, juice, cola and vinegar. In each of this container I added eggshell. Why I added eggshell means eggshell and tooth's enamel consist of same component called calcium carbonate. So I placed these eggshells in each of the container. I waited for 24 to 48 hours. After waiting for 24 to 48 hours, I observed that eggshell in water has no change. Eggshell in coffee is strained. Eggshell in juice is also strained. Same as eggshell in cola. But where we come to eggshell in vinegar, it becomes soft as a paper. This proves that some acidic and sugary drinks may damage and weaken our teeth. Second one, how saliva is useful in our mouth. So here, saliva is a natural defense mechanism that neutralizes acidic drinks. Here I took soda. First I found this pH value. It was slightly acidic. So then I added baking soda solution which neutralizes this soda, which acts as a substitute of saliva. Then I placed the pH strip and I found that this is neutral. This proves that saliva is a natural defense mechanism that neutralizes acidic drinks. The third one, functions of our teeth. Incisors are used for cutting, canines are used for tearing, premolars are used for chewing, and molars are used for grinding. Teeth also help in maintaining the shape of our face, and tooth also help to give clear speech. Thank you.
My name is Harni. I am studying in class 4. My project is Lotus Temple. The Lotus Temple is a famous place in New Delhi, India. It is shaped like a beautiful lotus flower. It is made of 27 white marble petals. The white color stands for peace, purity, and honesty. People come here to pray and meditate. There are no idols inside the temple. It teaches us to live in peace, love, and unity. A lotus temple is surrounded by green gardens and water pools. It looks very calm and peaceful. Many tourists from different countries visit it every year. Thank you.
My name is Devdashni. I am studying in 5th T class. Topic is about agriculture. Agriculture means growing crops and raising animals. Farmers work in field to grow food. We get rice and wheat from agriculture. Agriculture is very important for our country. Water and soil and sunlight are help to plants grow. We should respect farmers, and without agriculture we cannot get food to eat. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Neha. I'm studying 4th class. This is rainwater harvesting. A rainwater harvesting project collects and stores rain, typically from rooftops and surfaces, using gutters and pipes into tanks, offer groundwater recharge, reducing water scarcity, managing stormwater, and providing sustainable water for irrigation, cleaning, or even potable use. Rainwater is clean and free from chemicals. This method is eco-friendly that helps to protect the environment. It helps to save money by reducing water bills. Under Section 15 of Environment Act, the 1986, the Central Groundwater Authority has made mandatory to adopt the rainwater harvesting system. Thank you.
Welcome to our Science Expo. Myself Kirti. I am studying 4th class. My topic is about Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 was launched on July 14, 2023 and it was landed in the moon at 23rd August 2023. It was launched by ISRO and it is landed in the south pole of the moon. The south pole is named as the Shiva Shakti point and it is the moon's third mission. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vanilla. I want to explain about the process of photosynthesis. Just like we prepare our own food, plants also prepare their own food. Let us see how they do this. The green pigment called chlorophyll present in the leaves takes sunlight from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air and water from the root. Using this, the plant makes its food. The food sent to all the parts of the plant and is useful for the plant growth. The waste product released into the air is oxygen, which is very useful for us. This process of preparation of food by plant is called photosynthesis. Thank you for listening.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is D. Karthikeya and I am today here to explain on a working of a human eye. So, human eye is an sensory organ which helps us to see due to its complex organism. So, have you ever wondered that we can see everything very spectacularly? It is because of the eye. So, by the help of the light's rays falling on the object, it meets the cornea, which is a convex lens, and it enters the eye. And the convex lens here inverts the rays and this anterior chamber, and it travels to the retina, and this retina contains of two cells, cones and rods. Cones helps us to see in very bright colors and bright light, whereas rods helps us to see in very dimmed light. So in this retina the conversion happens from inverted rays to electrical signals. So through the help of the optic nerve, these electric signals are transmitted to the optic tract. So these are transmitted to the brain finally. So the brain interprets an image of the exact object. So this is how we can see things in our daily life. Thank you.
Sir, today my project is about BrahMos missile. BrahMos speciality is being the world's fastest supersonic cruise missile capable of being launched from land, sea, air and submarines. Known for its high speed Mach 3, precision, stealth features and fire and forget guidance, making it a formidable weapon with unmatched kinetic energy. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Today my project is about rotation of the earth. Earth spins in two ways, the rotation and revolution. The spinning of the earth is called rotation. The earth takes 24 hours or 1 day to make one complete rotation. The period of rotation is called earth day. Earth rotates at the speed of 1600 kilometers per hour. Due to the rotation of the earth, there will be the change in direction of wind and ocean currents. Rotation of the earth causes day and night. If rotation stops, there will be no life on earth. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Arakshita from 6th. Today I am going to tell about layers of atmosphere. First of all, do you know what are the layers of atmosphere? There are 5 main layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Now we will discuss about each layer in our atmosphere. First place we are having troposphere. Our air, weather, climate, density, layer, temperature drops as you go up. Second place we are having stratosphere. It is having a ozone layer, UV protection, planes will fly high, temperature rises. Third place we are having mesosphere. It is a coldest layer, metals burn up there, temperature drops as you go up. Fourth place we are having thermosphere, very hot but thin air. ISS orbits at temperature rises. Fifth place we are having exosphere. Very thin bends into space satellites. Thank you.
Alarm project. An earthquake alarm project demonstrates how ground motion triggers a warning about an earthquake is coming, and completing a electrical circuit often using a suspended weight like a pendulum or a ball that touches a contact point during the shaking. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Here is my working model, human respiratory system. In this model, the balloons are the lungs and the pipe is windpipe. Air enters through the nose, the trachea pipe, and then reaches the lungs. The air goes inside, called inhalation. The air goes outside, called exhalation. The lungs take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, which helps our body to stay alive. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. Myself Vanshika from class 4. Now I am going to tell about waste food management. Waste food management is managing of uneaten food through donation, animal feed, compost or biogas, aiming to reduce environmental harm. In this project, all the wastes from different sectors like school, hospital, hotels and houses are collected at one place. Then this wasted food are divided. The useful food is kept into this food bank. So the people who need food, they can easily take the food from this food bank. The unuseful food is put into this crushing machine. Then this machine converts the wet food into biogas, and we can also generate power from this wet food. So often biogas can be used for cooking. The power generated from the powerhouse is used for street lights, etc. Treadmill is used for bifurcating. Finally, all the waste from the biogas and compost are used as compost for agriculture. Thank you.
జై శ్రీరామ్. నా పేరు నాగసచ్చికన్. నేను 4th క్లాస్ చదువుతున్నా. నా టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే శ్రీరాముడి వంశక్రమం, అష్టాదశ పురాణాలు, ఇంకా 7 hills. ఇప్పుడు శ్రీరాముడి వంశ చక్రమా బ్రహ్మ కొడుకు పేరు మరీచికి కాశ్యపుడు, కాశ్యపుడికి సూర్యుడికి మనువుకి ఇక్ష్వాకుడికి కుక్షికి వికుక్షికి భానువుకి అనరణ్యుడికి పృథువుకి త్రిశంకుకి దుందుమానుడికి మాందాతకి సుసంధికి ద్రౌసంధికి భరతుడికి అసితుడికి సగరుడికి అసమంజసుడికి హంసమంతుడికి దిలీపుడికి భగీరథుడికి కకుచ్చువుకి రఘువుకి ప్రబుద్ధుడికి శంకరుడికి సుదర్శనుడికి అగ్నివన్నుడికి శీఘ్రవేదుడికి మరువుకి ప్రశిక్షకుడికి అంబరీషుడికి నహుషుడికి యయాతికి నాభవుడికి అజుడికి దశరథుడికి శ్రీరాముడికి లవకుశుడు. అష్టాదశ పురాణాలు బ్రహ్మపురాణం, పద్మపురాణం, విష్ణుపురాణం, శివపురాణం, మార్కండేయ పురాణం, నారద పురాణం, భాగవత పురాణం, అగ్ని పురాణం, భవిష్య పురాణం, బ్రహ్మ వైవర్ధన పురాణం, లింగ పురాణం, వరాపురాణం, స్కంద పురాణం, వామన పురాణం, కూర్మ మత్స్య గరుడ బ్రహ్మాండ పురాణం, 7 hills, గరుడాద్రి, వృషభాద్రి, అంజనాద్రి, నీలాద్రి, వెంకటాద్రి, శేషాద్రి, నారాయణాద్రి. గోవింద గోవింద. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good afternoon everyone. Today my project is about hydraulic bridge. Hydraulic bridge is a type of bridge that uses hydraulic power to lift its cover and move its parts.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sanjay Kumar. Today my topic is about lungs. Lungs are the main organ of the respiratory system. They help us to breathe and to supply the oxygen to the body. Humans have 2 lungs, a right lung and a left lung, present in the chest. Gravity on the outer sides of the heart. In the lungs, air sacs called pulmonary. You can observe here. While breathing, thank you.
Good evening everyone. Today I am going to tell about renewable energy. My name is P. Pavan. Renewable energy comes from nature like sun and wind. It does not run out like coal or oil. Using it keeps our planet clean. We must protect our resources like sun, wind and hydroelectric energy. Solar energy comes from sun. Renewable energy can be divided into continuous airflow. It is present in unlimited quantity. They are present in the Earth's atmosphere. This source of energy can be used again and again. It does not pollute the atmosphere. Renewable resources include solar, wind, water, hydroelectricity, and geothermal energy. It is sustainable. They are non-commercial source of energy. It is inexhaustible. Usage is less. Thank you.
Afternoon, sir. My name is Jashrita. I am from 5X. Today I am going to speak about an important national project called Digital India. What is Digital India? Digital India is a Government of India initiative launched in 2015. Its aim is to transform India into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. Major Digital India initiatives: Aadhaar digital identity, UPI digital payments. Benefits of Digital India: saves time and money, transparent governance. Digital India in digital life: online classes, booking tickets online. Digital India helps us to build a strong India. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Hiranya. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to Today I am going to present the earthquake model, which can be very interesting model made with simple and easily available materials. Today I am going to explain the working of it. Here we can see a copper wire attached to the cargo structure has a nut its end. Whenever there is a disturbance or vibration, it starts oscillating. As the result, to complete the circuit, and the current from the cell flows to the buzzer, creating a very loud and sharp noise. Let's see how it works. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Today my topic is about technology used in traffic. My name is T. Akshaya from class 6th T. Technical usage in traffic can play a crucial role during emergencies. Imagine if an ambulance gets stuck in a heavy traffic with a patient rushing to the hospital, and they will be having a special remote controlling system which can change the traffic lights from red to green. And after they pass through it, they can change it again into normal. This technology would save valuable lives and help them to reach quickly to the hospital. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to explain about different types of pollutions. They are land pollution, water pollution, sound pollution and air pollution. First we are going to discuss about land pollution. People throw dust ever they want on the land, like plastic covers, bottles, etc. Now we are going to discuss about water pollution. We see near lakes, ponds, rivers, trees will be there. And we see factories, industries. I am demonstrating my project called green energy. The main object of my project is to utilize about solar tree. What is a solar tree? Generally before we are having fixed solar panel that generate free electricity, but now we are having movable solar panel that follows the sun's path and generate free electricity throughout the day. As you can see here, and next we are having car parking guidance. If the car is parked in the parking bay, the light will on. If the car is not parked in the parking bay, the light will off. And next we are having helical wind power. Electricity is generated by the helical wind power. And next we are having vehicle sensor street light. The street light will turn on whenever a car is nearby the street light. The street light will turn on whenever a car is in his way. It is saving energy. And next we are having wireless car charging. The car gets charged by driving method because it is metal and metal. By the magnetic power it is getting charged. Thank you.
Today my project is about the modern Amaravati. It aims to build a futuristic, sustainable capital city for Andhra Pradesh, envisioned as green, high-tech metropolis with 9 themed sub-cities focused on smart infrastructure,
extensive green spaces, clean energy and efficient transport, integrating administration, commerce, education and culture with significant ongoing construction of key buildings and infrastructure like roads, water, power systems to release this people's capital vision. Thank you.
My name is G. Gokul Sai. This is my project Lines and Angles. First, we will go through angles. Two lines meet at a corner form an angle. We have 6 different types of angles. Right angle. The angle that measures exact 90 degrees is called right angle. Examples, glassboard. And acute angle. The angle that measures less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. Examples, triangle shape. Obtuse angle. The angle that measures more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. Examples, folding chair. And straight angle. The angle that measures exact 180 degrees is called straight angle. Examples, 6 o'clock in the clock. Complete angle. The angle that measures completely full rotation 360 degrees is called complete angle. 12 o'clock in the clock. And reflex angle. The angle that measures more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees is called reflex angle. Examples, some of the house roofs. And now we will move to lines. A line extends in both directions. It has no end points. And we have 3 different types of lines. Parallel lines. These lines never meet with each other and they do not intersect are called parallel lines. Perpendicular lines. The lines that meet at a common point creating 90 degrees is called perpendicular lines. And the last and final one, intersecting lines. If 2 or more lines meet at a common point are called intersecting lines. Thank you.
A very pleasant afternoon. My project name is drip irrigation. We know water is very important in our daily life, mainly in agriculture. It provides us with water and provides us food. Drip irrigation is the new method used by the farmers in the less amount of water in areas. These are the 2 pipes, then these are the drippers. From these drippers we can see the tiny holes. From these holes the water will splash and it will go to the roots. Thank you. I will show how my model works. From here the water will go. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Manvita of 8th class. Today my project is all about river water cleaning boat. As you all know, our India is known as land of rivers. These rivers are getting polluted due to overpopulation and deforestation. To clean this, we introduced this mission to clean the floating waste from the rivers. This river pollution is an environmental problem caused due to over plastic, garbage and floating materials. Recently, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi introduced Namami Ganga project to clean the rivers. This project works on the principle of Beyonce automatic mechanism. Thank you.
నమస్కారం, నా పేరు ఏ చైత్రశ్రీ. నేను 8వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ఈరోజు నేను భారతదేశ ప్రసిద్ధ శాస్త్రీయ నృత్యాల గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. భారతదేశ కళలు, సంస్కృతి, సాంప్రదాయానికి ప్రసిద్ధి చెందిన దేశం. భారతదేశ శాస్త్రీయ నృత్యాలు కేవలం కళలే కాకుండా శాస్త్రీయ నియమాలపైన ఆధారపడి ఉంటాయి. ప్రతి శాస్త్రీయ నృత్యంలో శరీర చలనం, సమతుల్యత, లయ, తాళం, శ్వాస నియంత్రణ వంటి అంశాలు ఉంటాయి. నాట్యశాస్త్రం ప్రకారం శరీర భాగాల కదలికలు నిర్దిష్ట కోణాల్లో ఉన్నాయి. ఇది భౌతిక శాస్త్రంలోని కేంద్ర గురుత్వాకర్షణ సమతుల్యత సూత్రాలను చూపిస్తుంది. నృత్యంలో ఉపయోగించే తాళం, గణిత శాస్త్రాలపై ఆధారపడి ఉంటాయి. అడుగులు, చేతి కదలిక నిర్దిష్ట లెక్కల ప్రకారం సాగుతాయి. ఇది గణితం మరియు శాస్త్రానికి సంబంధించిన ఉదాహరణ. భారతదేశ శాస్త్రీయ నృత్యాలు శరీరానికి వ్యాయామంగా పనిచేస్తాయి. కండరాలు బలపడతాయి, రక్త ప్రసరణ మెరుగుపడుతుంది, మెదడు శరీర సమన్వయం జరుగుతుంది. ఇది మన జీవిత కాలానికి మూలం. భారతదేశ శాస్త్రీయ నృత్యాలు భరతనాట్యం, కూచిపూడి, సత్రియ, మణిపూరి, ఒడిస్సీ, కథక్, మోహినియట్టం, కథాకళి. ఈ నృత్యాలు భారతదేశంలోని వివిధ ప్రాంతాల నుంచి వచ్చినప్పటికీ వీటన్నిటి శాస్త్రీయ క్రమ పద్ధతి ఒకటే. ఇది యూనిటీ ఇన్ డైవర్సిటీను చూపిస్తుంది. ఉదాహరణకు కూచిపూడి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్, కథక్ ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్, భరతనాట్యం తమిళనాడు, ఒడిస్సా మోహినియట్టం కేరళ, కథకళి కేరళ, మణిపూరి మణిపూర్, సత్రియ అస్సాం. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Sir, I am Likit from class 5. Today I am going to say about carbon absorber. Carbon absorber are machines that remove carbon dioxide from the air or from industrial exhaust gases. They help us reduce greenhouse gas, which is a major cause of climate change. They take carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఇప్పుడు నేను భగవద్గీత గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. భగవద్గీత మహాభారతంలోని ఒక భాగం. కురుక్షేత్ర యుద్ధంలో శ్రీకృష్ణుడు అర్జునుడికి చేసిన ఉపదేశం. ఇది ధర్మం, కర్మం, క్రియ, కామం, మోక్షం ఇలా అన్ని అంశాలపై మార్గదర్శనం చేస్తుంది. ఇది కేవలం ఒక గ్రంథం కాదు, ఇది మన జీవితానికి సంబంధించిన సమస్త సమస్యలకు పరిష్కారాలను అందిస్తుంది. కురుక్షేత్ర యుద్ధం ప్రారంభమయ్యే ముందు తన బంధువులతో యుద్ధం చేయవలసి వచ్చినప్పుడు అర్జునుడు మానసిక సంఘర్షణకు గురై కర్తవ్యముడవుతాడు. అప్పుడు అతని రథసారథి అయిన శ్రీకృష్ణుడు అర్జునుడికి జీవితం, ధర్మం, మోక్షం గురించి లోచనయ్యి జానాన్ని గీతోపదేస్తాడు. ఈ గీతోపదేశమే భగవద్గీత. ధర్మక్షేత్రే కురుక్షేత్రే సమవేతాయుయుత్సవః మామకాః పాండవాశ్చైవ కుర్వత సంజయ యదా యదా హి ధర్మస్య గ్లానిర్భవతి భారత అభ్యున్నతర్మధర్మస్య తదాత్మాం సృజామ్యహం పరిత్రాణాయ సాధూనాం వినాశాయ చ దుష్కృతాం ధర్మ సంస్థాపనార్థాయ సంభవామి యుగే యుగే. ధన్యవాదాలు.
My name is P. Krishna Datta. I am studying in 3rd class. Today my topic is about day and night. Day and night are a natural part of our daily life. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. Because of this rotation, we experience day and night. And the part of the earth that we live thus faces the sun. It is daytime. The sun gives us light and heat during the day. Thus, we can see clearly and do our daily activities like going to school, playing and working in the daylight. When the earth turns away from the sun, it becomes night. The sky is dark and we can see moon and stars in the night sky. The night is the time when the most people sleep and rest so that they feel fresh for the next day. Day and night are maintain a proper routine in our lives. The plants need sun to grow and humans and animals need rest at night.
Good evening everyone. I am K. Janvi Priya from grade 7 T section. So today I am going to tell about 5-in-1 mechanical based project. So this project combines technology with a creative solution to real world problems. No more accidents and no more signal jumping and moreover electricity is also generated. So let me start with the smart streetlight project. The smart streetlight project's purpose is less energy consumption and also reduces the cost. How it works? It uses a sensor. So whenever the sensor detects the presence of a vehicle, it turns the lights on. But whenever the vehicle moves away from the sensor, it turns the lights off within a fixed duration of time. Next is the smart safety barrier system. The smart safety barrier system uses a small servo motor installed into the road. It pushes the barriers onto the road when a red signal is given and into the road when a green signal is given, ensuring that no one can jump red signals. Next is the axis wind turbine system. The axis wind turbine system uses the vehicle's air pressure and starts spinning. The spinning motion causes a small motor to turn on. This small motor will convert the kinetic energy of the vehicle into electrical energy. Next is the smart speed breaker. The smart speed breaker is a dynamo base, so whenever a vehicle goes over it, it generates electricity. Next is the EV charging station. The EV charging station uses the electricity generated by the axis wind turbine system and also the smart speed breaker. The EV charging station is wireless, so we won't have any hazard with wires and cables. Thank you.
नमस्ते, आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ हमारे भारत की पूर्वोत्तर राज्य असम, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, नागालैंड, मेघालय, मणिपुर, त्रिपुरा और मिज़ोरम को 7 बहन कहते हैं और सिक्किम को इन सारे स्टेट्स का भाई माना जाता है। असम का प्रसिद्ध त्यौहार बिहू है। यह साल में 3 बार मनाया जाता है। मेघालय को बादलों का घर कहा जाता है। मेघालय पहले असम का ही हिस्सा हुआ करता था। साल 1972 21 जनवरी को असम के 3 हिस्से खासी हिल्स, गारो हिल्स और जयंती हिल्स के साथ मेघालय का निर्माण किया गया था। मणिपुरी नृत्य पूरी दुनिया की प्रसिद्ध नृत्यों में से एक है और हमारी भारत की शास्त्रीय नृत्यों में से एक है। यह वास्तव में श्री कृष्ण की रासलीला नर्तक प्रस्तुत करती है। मिजोरम शब्द का अर्थ है पहाड़ी लोगों का घर और नागालैंड को उत्तर पूर्व का स्विट्ज़रलैंड माना जाता है। नागालैंड अपने कोहिमा वार के लिए भी प्रसिद्ध है। त्रिपुरा में स्थित एंशिएंट बौद्ध मठ की बहुत मान्यता है। एंशिएंट मठ का अर्थ है एकांत मठ। यह एक सुंदर पहाड़ी पर स्थित है। धन्यवाद।
Good evening, one and all. I am Preeti Kumari of grade 8. Actually, as we all know, water is very precious. What happens is more than 70% of water is wasted in irrigation due to lack of human awareness. So I have made this model where when the soil is wet, it will automatically detect and turn off the pump. And when the soil is dry, it will automatically turn on the pump so that no more overflooding of the water will take place. I have used Arduino, A2D, relay module, battery pack, soil moisture sensor, tank and water tank. Now I will show you how it works. When the soil moisture is kept in this soil moisture sensor will detect whether the soil is wet or dry. Now the soil is wet, so it's not turning on the pump. When the soil is dry, it will automatically turn on the pump. This is how it works. This project will also help in as it will help in saving the water, as well as it will help in saving the time of the farmers who are spending their time in traveling from their house to the farm whenever they want to irrigate the plants. Thank you.
I am Prihasni from class 9th X. Today my project is accident protection. This is school. I kept school because school is the major source for the accidents. In the end of the school, the children comes out and roam however they want on the road. If a car comes with a high velocity and hit them, they may get hurt. To avoid these types of accidents, I made a IR sensed based car which helps in sensing the object automatically and stops by itself. Let me show how it works. It works like a normal car, but whenever an object comes, it stops. This is how it works. By this we can avoid accidents. Thank you.
My name is Satvika, studying in class 6. My model is about Ganesha's wisdom. One day, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati kept a test for their sons Ganesha and Kartikeya. The test was circle the world 3 times. Who will do first? They will get a die fruit of knowledge. Kartikeya immediately lifted his peacock and fly around oceans and continents. Then Ganesha gave a thought. He could not complete that much of speed because his vehicle was a small mouse. Then Ganesha uses his wisdom and walk around his parents 3 times. When his parents asked why you walk around us 3 times, then he told that parents are universe to us. Then their parents devotionally and consider Ganesha as the winner. Thank you.
Pleasant evening everyone. I am Sri Venkar from grade 7. Today I am going to explain about laser security system. Laser security system uses invisible laser beam to create security. Typically it is used in banks, houses, industries, museums and military bases. The system has very high precision and very accuracy. Unlike visible fence or security cameras, laser beams are invisible to human eye, therefore it's complex for an intruder to detect and avoid it. The system is scalable and customizable too. The system provides immediate notification and highly rapid action can be taken. Maintenance cost is also very low by using the system. Thank you.
This is Laukia from class 9. Today I am going to explain you about disaster electro. First we are dealing with the earthquake. If there is any shake in the earth's surface, it creates a sound, bringing an awareness in the people that an earthquake is going to strike. Then we are moving on to the fire alert. Let us take an example that the fire occurs in a hospital. If the fire touches to this sensor, it creates a sound and it also releases some water to cool down the fire. Next, we are going on to the flood alert. If the surface of the water reaches to a certain level, it creates a sound, bringing an awareness to the people who are living beside the river so that they could move from their city to any other city farther from the river. Next, we are moving on to do the railway broken track. If the railway track is broken, it creates a sound, bringing an awareness in the railway employees so that they could come and fix it. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. My name is Unesh. I am studying class 7. Today, my topic is about smart railway gate automation system. Mainly, the aim of this project is to prevent accidents and improve more safety by using this sensor and control unit. This automatic sensor and control unit helps to work this whole system. This automatic sensor we call as IR sensor, which detects the train. When train comes closer to the gate, it automatically closes. When train passes through it, it automatically opens. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Science Expo 2025. I am J. Mahesh Chaudhary from grade 6. Today I have made a life-saving project of accident prevention. Nowadays in India, wherever you go, you can find many accidents. There is a chance of 90% for getting accident just in one day. So for that, I have made my accident prevention vehicle. This accident prevention vehicle is equipped with special sensor and also the software which detects an object which comes in front of the sensor. And according to the scientists and experiments, they have proved that it could change from 90% to 20 or 30%. And it is very useful in heavy traffics or new or inexperienced drivers. Now you can watch how it automatically brakes itself if the obstacle is in its way. Now the mission is on. It hits the obstacle and stops working. So it wants to prevent accident. So it automatically brakes itself because of the obstacle is detected in the sensor. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Jineha of class 7. Today I am going to explain about water management. The most vital resource of life are air, water, sunlight. Among these three, I choose water. But why I chose only water? Why not air and sunlight? Because water can be used in many ways like cleaning, cooking, bathing, washing and many more. Inadequate use of water or wastage of water lead to water scarcity. To avoid this problem, we can use rainwater harvesting or water management. So, the rainwater is collected in the tank. The water which is collected in the tanks comes to the sink. The water used in the sink get filtered and used for washroom. The water used in the washroom get filtered and used for gardening purpose. And the water in the other tanks comes to the car wash. The water used in the car wash get filtered and used for gardening purpose. And rainwater is also helpful to fill rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. And the water in seas and oceans are unfit for drinking as they are salty. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Jenny of class 7th T. Welcome to Science Expo. Today my project is fetus development. Fetus development is an intricate process by which a single fertilized egg develops into a baby in over 9 months 40 weeks. As there are 9 months, the first month, the sperms fertilize the egg to form a zygote. Second month, tiny buds grow into legs and arms. Third month, organs like the brain, heart, spinal cord are developed. Fourth month, the gender is visible and the ultrasound of the baby is also visible. The size of the baby is an avocado. Fifth month, the skin is covered with vernix so that the mother can feel the first movement. Sixth month, the baby's lungs develop so that the inhalation and exhalation power can increase. Seventh month, the baby's eyes can open and close so that they can feel the vibration inside the mother's womb. Eighth month, the babies can gain more weight so that they can feel more energetic. Ninth month, the baby is prepared for birth. Thank you.
My name is Mishika Singh and my topic is jellyfishes. Jellyfishes are a fascinating example of how simple yet innovative nature can be. A strange creature of immense beauty, jellyfishes are found almost everywhere worldwide. Jellyfishes are ancient, brainless, boneless invertebrates with almost 95% of their bodies made of water. They use their bell-shaped bodies to float in the water and their stinging tentacles with cells called nematocysts to hunt prey such as plankton and other small fishes. The immortal jellyfish Toripithus dorni can revert its cells to a younger stage when stressed, making it essentially immortal, but it is still prone to death due to infections, predators and other causes. There are over 2,000 species of jellyfish, but the most common in India are the box jellyfish and the moon jellyfish. Thank you.
My name is Praveen and I am 9th class. Today my topic is direct and indirect speech. Direct speech is reporting someone's exact words enclosed in quotation marks is known as direct speech. Example, he said I am busy. Indirect speech, Indirect speech is reporting what someone says in our own words, no quotation marks and commas, is known as indirect speech. Example, he said that he was busy. Conversion of direct speech to indirect speech. While converting direct speech to indirect speech, we should not use quotation marks and commas, and we should change the pronoun tense, and we should change the place, time, etc. Here are the examples of direct and indirect speech. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Today I am going to tell you about ancient water clock. Ancient water clock is used in ancient civilizations such as India, China, Egypt and Greece. The working principle of the water clock depends on the constant rate of water flow. The change in water level indicates the time. Water clock is used in temples, courts and other public places. Water clocks are a simple and natural process to measure the time. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Mohit and this is centrifugal force. The force which is not a real force is also called pseudo force, and centrifugal force is used in the artificial gravity which the space station also based on the centrifugal force, and engineers use the centrifugal force to design the rotational mechanism, and if we increase the rotation the force also increase, and also centrifugal force is called, if the spin of the centrifugal force is a distance from the tire called centrifugal, and the balls come to the center is called centripetal force. Thank you. If the ball come to the edges of the tire is also called centrifugal force, and if it comes to the center of the tire is called centripetal force, which also used in the washing machine to remove the water from the clothes. Thank you.
I am CH Amulya from class 9X. This is city of Grenada. It is actually located in southern Spain. This city was built down the mountains where water was present on the mountains. To get the water they used this chain mechanism to get the water, which would finally come into this fountain, which also a water clock. The water comes out of these elephants and show us the time. This also goes into drainage systems, into homes, gardens and etc. Thank you.
Good evening, my name is Dheeraj from studying 7th class. I did infinity mirror. This is infinity mirror. An infinity mirror is an optical illusion that creates the appearance of endless depth using repeated reflections. It is made by placing two mirrors parallel to each other, one being normal mirror and the other partially reflective mirror. Light sources such as LEDs are placed between these two mirrors to enhance the illusion effect. The partially reflective mirror allows some light to pass through while reflecting the rest back. Overall, an infinity mirror is a fascinating combination of art, science and technology that creates a visually stunning effect. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Muktka. I am studying grade 7th. Today I am going to say about Arduino, work done with Arduino. These are the automatic steps. Whenever you keep your leg near the sensor, the lights will automatically on. Again, when you reach the other sensor, it will automatically off. When you're coming down also, it will do the same thing. It is done with Arduino board. The Arduino board looks like this. Arduino project utilizes an Arduino board along with code and components. The code we use is C language or C++ language. The C language is most commonly used in this Arduino board. Arduino board accepts a small matter, and the C language is small matter. And this is a fish feeder. It works like this. We can adjust the time with this mechanism with the given display. This is the Arduino board, as you can see. With this mechanism we can adjust from 20 seconds to 100 seconds. But this is the Arduino board, as you can see. This is the interior part of the Arduino board. Coming to the Arduino projects. As I said, Arduino project utilizes a component also. In this project I use motion sensors, and here I use these motors. Arduino project is a low-cost open-source microcontroller system that helps in building electronic projects like this. Like we can find Arduino projects in line-following robots and obstacle avoiding cars, and it is helpful for the students who wants to learn code from colleges and students. And Arduino projects are the beginner projects for everyone. The code is so simple that even a student like me also can learn. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Tejas from 8th class. My project is about gyroscope. There are two types of gyroscope. One is cubical gyroscope and one is circular gyroscope. The gyroscope is a device used for measuring or maintain the oscillation and angular velocity. It works on the principle of conservation of angular momentum. The gyroscope is typically consists of a rapid spinning wheel and connected to a rotor which spins and makes the object to stabilize. And it is used in our daily life, such as gimbals and even small size in drones to make them without drowning. So it is built in aeroplanes, ships, even in submarines and spacecraft and satellites. Here I have another type of a gyroscope. This is circular gyroscope. This uses it when I am not catching it, it could fall. So when I am spinning it, it won't fall. Because we know the Newton's gravity. When the ball is released from here, it goes because of the gravity. When I am spinning it, its weight of the rim is equal to this the weight of the rod. When I am not spinning, it is not equal. So it is used in satellites and spaceships in the space. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. My name is M. Umra Fatma and my model is about vertical conveyor. Vertical conveyor we customize in height, speed and load capacity to meet the specific industrial requirements. There are of three types of conveyors. First one is vertical conveyor, conveyor belt and inclined conveyor. The two most important conveyors are vertical conveyor and conveyor belt. Conveyor belt is a horizontal belt which is commonly used in airports. They are not that much reliable and safer and they do not decrease manual labor. While vertical conveyor does not take that much space and they are reliable and safer and they do smooth and safely movement. They are commonly used in factories, warehouses and industrial environments because they take materials from up and down like a lift. They were invented in 1940 by Elisha Gravis Otis. Overall, vertical conveyors plays a crucial role in modern automation and material handling system. Thank you.
Good evening, my name is Moin Khan and I am from 8th X. This is 2025 Science Expo in Icon Public School and my model is self-balancing bridge, also known as Leonardo da Vinci's bridge. This bridge is special because it stands without nails, screws or anything, and this bridge stands because of three simple reasons. First one is balance. The sticks are placed in a crossing way, so each stick supports the next one and it maintains balance. And second one is gravity. When we stand on it, the bridge weight presses the sticks down and the sticks will get interlocked between them and they stay in one place without moving. And third one is friction. When we press the sticks together, the friction is created. The more weight we add, the more friction is created, so the bridge will get more stronger. And the use of this bridge was invented by Leonardo da Vinci, who drew the Mona Lisa painting. And this bridge was recently used by Indian Army, and also this bridge is used especially during war times because of less resources are available there. We can make it easily by using simple sticks. Each simple Leonardo da Vinci bridge can carry weight up to 80 kgs.
that is the Milky Way galaxy. Far, far away, we saw hazy masses of light. We realized that the stars were like cities forming a certain pattern in the night sky called the constellations. I featured 11, the galaxy that is 60 times wider than our own Milky Way galaxy. Andromeda is a galaxy whose diameter is over 2 lakh kilometers is the nearest galaxy to us. The galaxy is history the astrophysics. Galaxies are good for stars just as masses found in the space. About 13.7 million years ago, our space began with a big bang. At the time, there were no stars nor galaxies. Slowly, it wrapped a pull matter together to form the stars. Later, the stars came together to form the galaxies. With the help of Hubble Space Tourism Telescope, we can see very distant galaxies. Light from the distant galaxies takes millions or billion years to reach our Earth. So, when we see them, we are seeing the past of the universe. At that time, the galaxies looked like small fuzzy dots in space. But small fuzzy dots are actually millions and billions of stars. Milky Way is a dynamic galaxy. They all born, they evolve, and finally die. Thank you, sir.
You want to explain me first.
Good afternoon, sir. Today my topic is about pollution. You can see here land, water and air pollution. Land, air, water and air pollution involve the contamination of natural environment by harmful human-generated substances, causes soil health risks, biodiversity loss and the ecosystem destruction. Land pollution, the degradation of the earth's surface caused by the toxic waste, garbage and industrial byproducts. Water pollution, the contamination of the water bodies, rivers, lakes, and groundwater by the hazardous substances. Air pollution, the release of harmful gases, smoke, and pollution. For example, sulfur dioxide and the nitrogen oxide and the particulate matter into the atmosphere.
Good evening, sir. I am from class angles formed by gravity. First, what is transversal? A line that intersects two or more given lines in a plane is called transversal. in matching position at each intersection when a line is cut across two given lines. Example, these are the fraction is a combination of numerator and denominator. We have 7 types of fractions. Like fractions which have the same denominator, we call them as like fractions. Unlike fractions which have different denominators, we call them as unlike fractions. Proper fractions if the numerator is less than the denominator, we call them as proper fractions. Transporting heart to the hospital, who needs a heart transplant? Disaster management like fires, earthquake, flood, help us transport assistance to some sites. Let us learn how it works. Firstly, the multiport. Multiport is a small airport facilitator center. It ensures the aircraft is ready on time and tracks the air traffic. Police and security. It provides security and the area is covered with cameras. Booking system and supplement aeronautical data. Extra information needed like weather updates and emergency alerts. Booking system means passengers book their air taxi and they choose their destination. Thank you.
Who has supported you for you? Who has supported you?
My mom and my dad.
My name is Nihar. I am studying 7th class. Welcome to Science Expo 25-26. So this is green energy fusion city. It produces electricity without pollution and from natural sources like sunlight, wind and air. This is wireless car charging. When a car passes through it, the car gets automatically charged. This is helical wind. When they rotate, they produce electricity which can help a house or industries to get charged. And that is solar car. When solar rays fall on it, it generates power and it moves. That is solar power automatic street light. So it takes solar rays at morning, generate into electricity and produce light at night. And this is hydrogen solar panel. When a solar panel is placed on the house, because of the sun rays, the panel get energy and produce as electricity, and that is solar tree. When sun rays or light fall on its sensors, it moves and it generates electricity to all the houses, streets and lines. That is solar parking. When a car is parked there, it gets sun rays and it charges. So this can be implemented for future generations which reduce pollution, and this is eco-friendly. Thank you.
My name is Mayank. Today I am going to tell about perimeter and area. Perimeter is the all sides can be equal to all sides and from the length of the boundary, which can be enclosed by each other from the area by the polygon by the 2D side that can be measured in the units or inches. Take an example, if you purchase a land, the length is 200 centimeter and the breadth is 10 centimeter, and the dealer will be satisfied for the giving auction for the 10 lakhs rupees for the 2000 square meters. Then the formula of the rectangle in the area is length into breadth. Then 200 into 10 will be 2000 square meter, and the dealer will be satisfied for the giving options. That will mention that and concludes us that the area and perimeter have decided and depend on the shape for the polygon, which will help us and to get sun enclosed for the area in the each option. Take an example in the cricket, the circumference of the circle cricket stadium will be 2 pi r or pi r from the radius or diameter. Thank you.
My name is A. Ashwant Reddy and my topic is about Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is the third moon mission exploration of India. It is launched by Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO). Chandrayaan 3 was India's successfully third lunar mission by ISRO, launched on July 2023 to demonstrate safe landing and roving near the moon's south pole, a first for any nation. It had soft landing near the moon's south pole on August 23, 2023, making India the first country to do so. It featured a lander Vikram and a rover Pragan that has explored the moon's surface and confirming elements like sulfur and lunar properties, making a significant milestone for India's space program. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is K. Vandita from grade 6-3. Today I am going to explain about electricity produced from salt water. Electricity can be produced from salt water through primary methods, which are osmotic power system and salt water batteries. The former uses the difference in reactivity between two metals, which are zinc and copper, then submerged in salt solution to create a flow of ions. The latter, used in large-scale pilot plants, are used to generate power by harnessing the natural osmotic pressure created where the river's fresh water meets the ocean salt water. Then this pressure is used to drive a turbine and generate a continuous flow of electricity. Thank you.
Good evening sir, I am Charan from 7th T. Today I am going to be telling about Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is the most important and widely used in mathematics, especially geometry. It only applies to right angle triangles. Right angle triangles are which have 90 degrees. For example, let's take c square is equals to a square plus b square. C is the hypotenuse and a and b are the other sides. A is the height and b is the base. For the hypotenuse is the longest side in a right angle triangle. For example, let's take 50 centimeters and 40 centimeters. To find the hypotenuse, side 1 square plus side 2 square. 50 square plus 40 square. 50 square is 2500 and 40 square is 1600. 2500 plus 1600 gives us 4100. 4100 is divisible by 64, which is a right angle triangle. Thank you.
Warm afternoon everyone. My name is Hridaya. My topic is about tennis. Tennis is a global racket sport. For 2 or 4 players hitting a felt covered ball. Tennis began in India. Tennis began in India in year 1880s, introduced by the British Army. Saina Mirza is the best tennis player in India. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is K. Pujita. I'm going to tell about hockey. Hockey is a national sport of our country. Hockey is considered as a national sport because of its population and its historical background. India won 6 Olympic awards for the game hockey, and it teaches us about the teamwork and the cooperation. Hockey was introduced in our country, England, and it was introduced in the year 1861. And it came into the India by the help of a British rule of Columbia. And it was passed to the Calcutta in the 18th century. And at 2012 at London, hockey is the third spectated sport. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My topic is about gym activities. Physical and mental health improvements include better heart health, weight management, strong muscles and bones, reduce stress, improve sleep, increased energy. Thank you.
I am Lokamansa from class 10.
I am Vihashra from class 10.
This is the Amaravati outline map. The government wants to develop Amaravati to increase the employment sector, transport sector, and etc.
So here we have many regions like R1, R2 and R3 which are residential areas, and here we have the government zones which we have government buildings, and in S2 regions we have the educational sectors like in the Ainavolu we have the VIT and SRM colleges and universities, and here these purple color I3 regions are full of non-industrial, non-pollutant industries like electronic industries which does not pollute the environment, and here the P3 region in green is called as the forest protected region, and the blue region is for protecting the water bodies. Here we have a railway track which is from Mangalagiri, it will divide, and our government is aiming that it should be in the form of a circle around the Amaravati, such that local trains will be formed in front or in between these villages, and here we have the C1, C2 and C3 which are commercial areas. Here the roads from north to south are called as N series roads, from west to east are called as E series roads. These all the 3D buildings are for commercial buildings, and here Mangalagiri mountain we have the Palakala Swami temple, and between these two mountains we have the Ames. There we have Indrakiladri temple, and that is the Krishna river which flows from west to east. Thank you.
Welcome to 10th Science Expo of Icon Public School. Today we are going to talk about the art and craft done by our Icon students of classes 1 to 9. Here they have recycled many waste materials such as coconut shells, pistachio shells, plastic bottles, plastic wrappers, plastic papers and many more etc. So these are done to prevent the environmental degradation. They have converted these items into more attractive items like flower vases, paper flowers and so on. These are done to increase the creativity of the mind and to increase the confidence of the room while when you're in it. These are more attractive items that can decorate your home as well as your life as well. Thank you.
This all was done by our school art and craft students from classes 1 to 9. They are made from waste materials like pista shells, coconut shells, plastic bottles, teacups and ice cream sticks. Thank you.